Environment Canada has issued a severe weather bulletin for Northern Ontario at 9:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday, November 25th, 2014. A snow squall warning is issued for west Nipissing, French River. Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 9:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday, November 25th, 2014. A snow squall watch is issued for South River, Burke's Falls. A snow squall watch is ended for Bayfield Inlet, Dunchurch. A snow squall warning is continued for Bayfield Inlet, Dunchurch.
Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour nord de l'Ontario à 9h39, heure normale de l'Est, de mardi 25 novembre 2014. Un avertissement de courage